Hello and welcome to our maths lesson. Today's learning objective is to know what are prime numbers and to be able to list them. Now have a go at retrieval practice, pause this video for about 8 minutes and attempt all 6 questions. Here are the answers to retrieval practice. So use the black pen to mark them. If you have all of them, all 6 of them right, well done. So today learning objective is to know what are prime numbers and to be able to list them. Success criteria: to know the definition of factor, prime and multiple, list factors of numbers, identify prime numbers, and to know all primes below 20, and to know how to identify primes over 20. So this is our last lesson in topic of factors and multiples. We've learned how to find the lowest common multiple. We've learned about the divisibility test and how to find the highest common factor. And on the last lesson, we've learned how to use highest common factors and lowest common multiples to answer worded questions. And today we are going to talk about primes. First activity. Complete the following sentence by circling the right number and words. Prime number has exactly. So pause this video and think how to finish this sentence. Okay, so if you've completed it like this, prime number has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. Then that's right, you've got this right. So prime number has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. Example 1. Identify the prime factors of 20. Okay, so now I will list all the factors of 20. 1, 2, not 3, but 4, and 5. So 4 times 5, 2 times 10, and 1 times 20. I've listed all factors of 20, and now I'm thinking which of them are prime. 1 is not a prime because it has only one factor. 1. 2 is a prime because its only factors are 1 and 2. So it has exactly 2 factors. 4 is not a prime because it has more than 2 factors. 1, 2, and 4. 5 is a prime because nothing else except from 1 and itself goes into it. 10 can be made up by 2 times 5, so it's not a prime. And 20 is not a prime because 4 times 5, for example, is 20, so it has more than 2 factors. So prime factors of 20 are 2 and 5. Now pause this video and try to find prime factors of 40. So you should have listed them already. So it's 1, 2, 4, 5, not 6, not 7, but 8. So it's 5 times 8, 4 times 10, 2 times 20, and 1 times 40. Okay, so now which of those numbers are primes? 2, 5, oh, and that's it. So if that's what you've got, well done. Now I will do one more example for you. Identify the prime factors of 15. So first I will list all factors of 15. 1, 3, 5, 15. Which of them are prime? It's 3 and 5. So now pause this video and find all factors of 5, prime factors of 5. 5 is the prime, so it has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. So the only prime factors of 5 is 5 itself. If that's what you've got, well done. You understand what prime is, you know what it is and how to find it. Okay, so one more example. Identify prime factors of 35. Sorry, this question is twice in here, so just disregard this bit. Okay, so factors of 35. 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5. 5 times 7 and 1 times 35. So 35 has exactly 4 factors. And which one of them are prime? 5 and 7. So prime factors of 35 are 5 and 7. So now pause this video and have a go at finding prime factors of 33. Okay, so what you should have is 1, 3, 11 and 33, and out of these numbers 3 and 11 are prime. So prime factors of 33 are 3 and 11. If that's what you have, well done, you know how to find prime factors of a number. Okay, so now we're looking at this list of numbers and thinking which of them are prime. So trying to find prime numbers by listing their factors. Okay, so we can see that 1 is 1 times 2. So now pause this video and write all the factors of the numbers between 3 and 15 and identify which of them are primes. Okay, so if you've completed this activity, you should have a table like this. So we can see that number 2 has exactly 2 factors, 1 and 2, so it's prime. Number 3, exactly 2 factors. It cannot be made up by multiplying any other 2 numbers, so it's a prime. Number 4 is not a prime because it can be made by multiplying 2 by itself. It's a square number, so it has more than 2 factors. 5 is a prime because it has exactly 2 factors. 6 is not, 7 is, 8 is not because it can be made up by multiplying 2 by 4, so it has more than 2 factors. 9 isn't, 10 isn't. Next prime is 11 and 13. Another prime under 20 is 17 and 19. So primes under 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. And these numbers you need to memorize. You need to know them by heart. Okay, so now you've got a few questions. Pause this video for about 10 minutes and attempt all the questions. And here are the answers. Mark your work with green pen. Okay, so mark yourself how many you've done out of 5. If you answered all the questions correctly, then you know what are prime numbers and you are able to list them, which was today's learning objective. So well done. And that's it for today, and see you on the next maths lesson. Bye.